What is up, theme park junkie fans? We are here at Tales of Terror at Warrior Sports Park. I got that right. Yep, Warrior Sports Park. It's a paintball park. They teamed up this year and they are having their haunted attraction here. We're actually very excited to be out here. It's in Orlando, Florida, and the address, if you're interested, is 4603 West Colonial Drive, Orlando, Florida, and I'll put the link in the description below. Gonna head out front and show you the entranceway and how to get on in here and navigate into this parking lot area, and then we're gonna head on in and check out this new event this year. It's the very first year and we're excited to be here. Let's go, like I said, let's head out front and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so when you come in off of the main road, or well, you'll come in through Barnett Park entrance. You're going to come around the road here. You're going to see a small little sign, so kind of look for it. It says Tales of Terror Haunted Attraction. Then you'll see the paintball and laser tag sign. This is exactly where you're going to turn in, and that's where you're going to park your car. Kind of give you guys a heads up. If you do pass it, you're going to go all the way down there and you're going to see a BMX track. Turn around, come back, and turn in here. So they're sharing this with a paintball course this year. Or like I said, guys, so when you come in and you park your car somewhere in this parking lot area here, you're going to look for this. Right past that paintball sign, you're going to see a caution sign, and you're going to head right up this area here. Hey guys, while you're waiting around and you've got just a few seconds, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? It would really help us out.
Yes.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh,
Thank you.
Subscribe. Bing.
That's all it takes. Boom.
Bing, bing, bing. Perfect. Done. Thanks. All right, let's head on in. All right, guys, a quick update. So, right down this way, we had came down, and so you're gonna have to either come this way, or in the parking lot, you'll come all the way down to where the food truck is, and you'll walk down this road here, because there's a ticket window. So you're gonna go to the ticket window first, get your ticket, then you're gonna come back and walk down through here, and then that's when you'll get into the queue line. All right guys, so this is gonna be the check-in area for the haunted attraction. You're gonna come over here. There's a little bit of a warning that you're going to have to read. You're going to get your tickets right over here, and if you're wanting to participate in being touched, you're going to get a glow stick. And this gentleman right here is probably going to hook you up with your tickets. All right, guys, we're headed on in. All right, guys. All right, guys. So just so you know, the pricing here, it's $15 for general admission, and if you want to upgrade for the glow necklace experience, which then they can touch you, it's an additional $5. So, yeah, that's not bad.
No.
And then they have some other packages that are available. If you're interested, go on their website. I'll leave the link below, and you can check them out and purchase them. But for right now, we have general admission with the option to put the gold necklace on and get touched. All right, so like I said, we're just kind of walking down this little corridor area here, and we got to make a little left, head on up into the check-in area. Alright guys, so when you finally approach the area, this is the entranceway into the market.
One? Wow. Sorry.
No worries.
Halloween ends.
8 o'clock.
Alright guys, well if you want to get your fortune told or a tarot card reading, thank you guys.
Yeah, of course. We love your piece. We saw you walk away and we're like, oh, thanks.
So it's some really
no,
cool
it's
artists
based on
here.
JoJo Bizarre Adventures, but it's my own creation of it. Yeah.
May I flip through the book?
Yeah, for sure. Please do.
Really?
Portrait tattoos. I could do like a stylized.
Alright guys, so this is actually kind of really cool. This is tattooed pig skin. So that's a pig knuckle right there. And pig ears. And so she's a tattoo artist that decided to do this, and you can pick up these pieces for $75. Alright guys, so we're in the queue line here. That's a really cool facade.
Do you guys know the rules?
Not yet.
No? Okay. Okay. There's no smoking, no vaping, no eating or drinking inside of the trail. No forward-facing cameras. We ask that you film selfie style. Do not touch the actors and they won't immediately touch you. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Yep.
All right. You guys may go through.
Alright guys, so we're ready to go in. We're just not gonna run into nothing first. Holy crap.
Somebody I like.
Oh my god. They actually like grabbed you by the legs. That was weird. That was weird. I wasn't expecting that.
No.
They like came out and grabbed me by my leg.
No, please! No, give me
We're being dragged. Hold on.
He's taking me to it.
All of my beautiful creations.
Yes, I see. I don't want to touch that. Not, no. Thank you.
Okay, here we go. Let's go next there. Here we go.
All right. Oh God. Creepy. They're coming out everywhere.
Wait, I think do we go somewhere? Wait, where am I going? Oh, this is. Alright, hang on. Here we go. We're getting ready. Jesus!
Got me. Oh God. Kinda creepy. Oh no.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh God. There's a pig headed to us. Oh God. No.
that's
he's
nasty.
smelling us. I think he wants to eat us.
Whoa. Oh, that's gross.
Ooh.
Oh, he's touching me. Ah!
Oh, God.
Wait, do I go this way? Yeah, that's a mattress. Ah.
Yo, man, you think you can help me? I've been trying to get this thing out for at least like 15 minutes. It will not come out, dude. Oh. You ever tried to take a dump for 15 solid minutes, dude? God damn, I tell you, it's terrible.
I'm sorry.
I see you guys got some jewelries, which means I can roughly do all of this shit to you, don't it?
Yep.
Don't it now? Note the hand placement, just subtle enough to know I'm thinking about things, dude. I'm not doing it right.
Oh my God.
I know, ain't it amazing? You ain't seen that there demons, have you?
No.
What with the world? Shit, I forgot to tell you he was there. Hey, dude, guess what? You know what I got today?
What?
I got a little head. Ha!
That was pretty good.
I know who the hell you are, man. Have you survived this long? How do you know? Who you got with you tonight? Is that Jen?
I'm gonna pass this creepy.
Oh, God.
Would you like a snack?
No. No snack for me.
Sure? It's really nutritious.
No. Uh-oh. Oh, be quiet. Somebody must be sleeping. Ah!
Can't run. Got an eye. Got an eye.
There's an Jesus, I don't know. There's arms and stuff.
Startling noise! Oh, it's a classic, dude!
You got me.
Oh my God.
Oh, I don't like this.
You guys see what we're seeing right now? That is freaky.
Oh, God.
Ah!
Oh, no, not that way.
We're not going that way.
Oh, shit, they got me on that one.
Ah! It's touching. Alright, my throat's getting dry again. But these are getting good this year. Oh, we made it out?
Yes, we're out.
Holy
Yay,
we made it.
We made it, guys.
Wow. Alright, give us a second to collect the thoughts. Alright, guys. Just finished up. Had to collect my thoughts. Clear my throat.
My heart's still pounding.
They did really
Yeah.
good. This is their first year. And they
Some
did.
of these
Yeah.
actors did really
They
good.
did really
they
good
got me
and
on a few.
really good. Really quick. Just to give you a heads up, this is a soft opening, so they're not at 100% capacity. Not all the sets are 100% complete, and they did not have all the scare actors. So, when you come to the event, it's going to be even better than what we just experienced, and it was really good.
Yeah, I
Listen,
really
guys.
enjoyed it.
But now we normally rate these on like a 1 to 10 scale, and being at their first year, I'm gonna give them a solid 8, borderline 9.
Yeah, I agree.
Good job, guys. If you guys keep this up, I could see you being very successful very quickly. If you have the means, or if you're in the area to make it out to the event, guys, please do. You're going to have a great time. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe. You know, we need just a few more subscribers.
Yeah, just a few more. So come on, guys. Hit that subscribe button.
Doesn't take very much just to push the subscribe button, and helps us out. And then it will help you guys get more videos
That
coming
we
to
shoot.
you. Yeah, because we'll be able to go out and shoot more videos for you guys. So, with that said, if you like it, please hit the like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, we're going to see you
At a theme park, guys. Good night.
Good night.